Hey guys, so it's been a long time since I've made a bike check. In fact, it's been a while since I've made a video at all, but it's been really kind of difficult, you know. And anyways, got a lot of new parts. A lot of new parts. But I'm going to go through it all. So, here's the stolen Thermalite pedals in red, clearly. Shadow Conspiracy Scream Sprocket. Shadow Interlock V2 chain. And up here we got Fit something grips. I can't remember right at this moment what they are. And got some animal bar ends in a weird color. I think it's olive. I don't know, they didn't have the color I wanted. So I just got olive. And these are still the PIF 2.0 bars. I just painted them red, and yeah, it took forever. I think I had to do it 3 times because of mess ups. Anyways, it's really crappy paint. A lot of chips so far, and had a little bit of an accident right there. You can see. So I just kind of sprayed over it. I don't really care. There's a few chips in it. I don't really care. It's did it myself. Anyways, some sort of Hoffenbike stem. I don't really know what it is, but got it from my friend. And up here, Odyssey Path tires. Really, really high pressure tires. Okay, it's not really that high. It's about normal. Ew. And in the back, got Animal ASM tires. And here's my new-ish wheel in chrome. I got it from a friend also. It's a Odyssey Hazard wheel and hub and everything. It's a complete wheel, so it's pretty loud. If you just got it like today, I just had to ride up to my friend's house and get it today. And I used to have some stickers on it, but it looked kind of gay, so I kind of took them off. I used to have a big old red animal sticker. Yeah, like this one. Put that one on my seat because I need a new one. Anyways, that's about it. And just so you know, those stickers used to be red. They're all faded now. Anyways, I have another bike check of Russell's bike here soon after he gets his new bars. I think he's getting Shadow Volta's 9.5 rise, and he's getting a new sprocket. It's the Crank and Bones. I don't know what color they're going to be in. I'm guessing red or black usually. If not, I'll be surprised. That'll be up probably this weekend maybe, if the parts come in. Yep, that's about it. Oh, and I'm going to have a better, because my last one was kind of crappy. I was really sick and just didn't feel like doing too much, but I need to make one. Anyways, I'm going to make a new how to install a sprocket video. I'll put it on a stand so you can see what I'm doing better and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. I'll let you hear this too. Well, this isn't gonna work. Let's face it. Real smooth. And unless I counted wrong, it should be a I guess now I have, instead of a 25.9, I have a 25.10 drive on it. So yeah, it's real fast. Not fast as in speed, fast as in acceleration. Anyways, they don't really bother me. Well, that's about it.